Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Khadse and English Middle School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss Unit 4th, prose part of the 3rd standard English. The lesson name is A Little Fish Story. So, let you see what is the little fish, how this story, and what is going on here, and what is regarding about speaking about. Okay. So, we will start the lessons. There are a great many million fish in the sea, but this story is about just one of them, and very small one at that. Now this is little fish had everything in the sea to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. So what happens? Actually, this lesson is totally belongs to a small fish. So million of fishes are live in the sea, but the story is belongs to in a small fish. So always giving complaint towards itself that, and he was very unhappy. Okay, what is the reason? Do you know? You will laugh after listening. The reason is it is very small. He cannot enjoy like other big fishes. That was the problem of the small fish. So he wants to bigger. He wants to big fish. So let you see. In this way, he always unhappy. And he always believe the big fishes are living and the big fishes are became so happier than him. So what happens one day? One day he was swimming along with the forest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the masses of a great net. My God. So one day what happens? Everybody swimming, a group of fishes are swimming in the water. Along it, the small fish also swimming. Here, still that time also he is saying that, wow, what a big fishes are enjoying. I also big fishes means how I can enjoy myself. It is thinking. But suddenly, he came to see that all the fishes are in a net. My God. How it is? There was much poundage and splashing as the net was drawn up and up out of the water into the sunlight. And just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mess and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! Then what happens? All the fishes he saw suddenly in a net without any warning. क्या फिशरमैन आपको वार्निंग दे के फिश पकड़ेगा क्या? हाँ भाई आ जाओ, मैं फिश पकड़ने वाला आ रहा हूँ. तो फिश वहाँ रुकेंगे, भाग तो जाएंगे. So without information, तो कुछ समय बाद में वो सारे नेट में आ गए. So when the fish, small fish saw in the net, and the net slowly drawn towards the upside and the sunlight falling. Suddenly the fish came from the school of fishes outside, and though it is small, he easily escaped from the net. When he came to the net, out of the net. The fish became so happy. He felt very, very happy that he is small. He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Really? Before, everybody everybody used to say, I want to be, I want to be, I want to be. Everybody knows about the small fish. But after this incident, he never said the wish that I want to be big. Only, I want a little. I want to be a small like this only. Rest of his life. So, the students, I hope you understand these lessons properly. So, read the lessons clearly, neatly, twice, thrice, 2 times, 3 times you read. Okay, and it's hard words and meanings, question answers and everything I will send with a PPT form, so that you can better understand and you can write it. Okay, dear students. So till then, keep watching for the next video. Okay, bye bye.